Torpedo, the Americans are shooting at us again.
Pitch is too high. The torpedo's Russian.
Go to battle stations. Battle staff.
Doing what?
It's turned right into the torpedo's path.
What?
Red October's turned directly into the torpedo's path, sir.
What's he trying to do? Kill himself?
Thompson, we have a firing solution on the Russian Alpha. Can we shoot back?
They didn't shoot at us. I can't attack a Soviet submarine without authorization.
I'll be damned.
What happened?
Combat tactics, Mr. Ryan. By turning into this torpedo, the captain closed the distance before it could arm itself.
So that's it?
Not quite. Right now, Captain Tupolev is removing the safety features on all his weapons. He won't make the same mistake twice.
Safety range is set to 0.
About bloody time. Sona, give me the bearing to Red October.
She's taking position behind us. Right full rudder.
I'll shake the man loose.
He's going deep.
30-degree down angle.
5,000 kilos pumped
All the
out.
countermeasures were over there,
Continuing
right?
dive.
Very well.
Admiral, the Alpha is just too quick. It's only a matter of time now, sir.
Where's he now, Jonesy?
Close, sir.
900 meters. Directly ahead.
Got him. Match bearing is on fire.
They're too close. Concussion.
Don't argue with me. Launch the weapon.
Torpedoes are armed in the tubes, Captain. He can't.
Shoot now!
Another torpedo, Captain. It went active the moment it was launched. It's acquired us and his homing.
Left full rudder. He's off in your bow planes.
Yes, sir.
I think he's got us. Way to go, Dallas!
Torpedo is an acquisition. Range 500 yards in closing. You've done it, Mr. Thompson.
I hope to Christ this works. All right, Chief. Put us on the roof.
Countermeasure station on my mark. 5, 4, 1. Release countermeasures. Emergency blow.
Full rise. Fair water plane. 500 feet. 450.
Come on, Big D.
400 feet.
That torpedo's still active. It's searching for another target now.
The hard part about playing chicken is knowing when to flinch.
Collision in 400 yards. 350. 300. Captain.
Right full rudder, 30-degree down angle.
Aye, sir. This one's gonna be close.
Torpedo! Get ahead!
You arrogant ass. You've killed us.